Hey, what's up there, crazy working people? My phone is charging. My phone is actually dead. And I'm getting pissed off because of the dogs. I need to just shut the fuck up. Wash pan. You did?
Yes, that's good.
When?
Papa, let that go.
Whoa, that's a big one. Oh, Lord. I love you, Lovey. Lovey, Lovey.
The whistle.
Doesn't that matter, Abby? He'll chew it up.
Ow.
He'll just chew it up. I'll let you watch cartoons for a little while.
I love bug.
Dad's only got 45 minutes.
What?
Your grandparents' day. Put them back in the fridge water when you're done.
Okay, I will.
Uncle,
What?
look, I got a slushy.
Oh, a squishy.
A squishy.
Oh.
Watch, it changes colors. Maybe it will.
Don't put it in the water because it's nasty.
What?
The squishy.
What's nasty?
The water.
Guys, come on.
Come on, JJ. Go out and go potty.
I think this is a thankless job and nobody thanks me for it. This is my first time using my camera on this job. Can't wait for next week or week after. Whenever I order the pocket, not pocket, sorry, body camera. Primarily one. I'm not ordering from Wish or Geek anymore. Unless it's dice bags or headsets. And so to be. So you guys can actually see where I go to drink and still eat. Or instantly do that on a camera that has more than high def, regular high def, which is 1080p. But we can also do more than that, so okay. So you can see whatever I'm seeing in the middle of the day or night. Yeah, and also I want to say thank you to Cousin Kim for making me a pot of coffee, which is awesome. Yeah, sorry about my phone charging. This is my first time doing this on a regular camera that is 720p. Yeah. Which is your awesome, so yay. Think about ordering from Amazon. So first I have to, yes, I can order as a bundle, so yeah. If you like dishwashing videos, let me know in the comment section. And if so, I'm peacing on out here. Peace, love, all this fair love and work for. Do me that huge favor, smash that like button. And also comment what's your favorite job for me to do. Or could have done. Ah, gross. That. And also one more thing. Forgot to put the chicken back in the freaking water. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace.